Welcome to Happiest Place Is Home. We're in the kitchen today making chicken burrito bowls. This is a very low carb recipe typically. Well, we've managed that, but we've also acquired a heart healthy status by changing up some ingredients and just changing the methods with which we've cooked it. So we're using a slow cooker today, which makes it so easy to get a lot of things accomplished around the house while you're cooking. Onion, black pepper, chili powder, cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, ground paprika, low sodium chicken broth, cauliflower florets minced in a blender, petite diced tomatoes, no salt added, chopped green chilies, Mexican style cheese blend, reduced fat. We'll also need boneless, skinless chicken breasts, about a pound, and a slow cooker. With a chicken burrito bowl that you get at a quick service Mexican restaurant, a lot of times the basis is rice. We're using cauliflower for that purpose today. You can buy riced cauliflower. I'm just doing it from scratch here, and it's really easy. I just wanted to show you how easy it is. I'm just opening the bag and throwing batches into my Ninja here. It's going to be loud. All right, I have my second batch in. Ready? And you'll see how fast it goes again. That's it. We have cauliflower rice. Once we shred our chicken, we put it back in the slow cooker with all of our cauliflower rice and then let it go another hour. I'm prepared to go and ready for when that time comes, and now I can get on to other things. So I'll see you in a bit. It's been 4 hours in the slow cooker, and I'm going to shred the chicken. Just put it right here. I'm getting a little too much of the veg, but that's okay. All right, I've learned my lesson. If you're doing this, put the lid back on because it gets really hot. Okay, now we're just shredding this with 2 forks. One to hold it in place, one to pull apart. Okay. Let me get my large thing-a-dang. Okay. Let me take you over here so you can see some of this action. Okay, we are just stirring this back into the liquid to make sure it stays moist, and then we're adding our riced cauliflower. Do you hear someone running down the steps because they heard food? Hello. Okay. There she is. All right, so we have this in the fridge. So we're leaving this in here on high for 1 hour to let it soak in all of the flavorings. And then we'll go from there. It's been 5 hours total cook time. It was 4 hours with the chicken and the rest of the ingredients, and then another hour with the cauliflower rice in. So it's time to dig in. I'm just gonna turn this on warm. It smells great. Now we're sprinkling the low-fat Mexican cheese blend, just about a tablespoon. That one was a little over a tablespoon, but that's okay. Okay, I'm going to dig in right here. When you're at the fast food Mexican, do you mix your ingredients together in the bowl? I do. Okay, here we go. It seems very hot. This tastes really delicious, and I am very happy with the results. I hope you enjoy this recipe too, and thank you for visiting Happiest Place Is Home.